In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to complete and submit your ELD log in Paperform. To get started, open Google Chrome on your device and go to the specific Paperform ELD log link provided by your company. It's important to use the exact link you were given so you're filling out the correct form. If your company shares this link through email, text, or an internal system, simply open it from there in Chrome and wait for the form to load completely before moving on. Once the form is open, begin entering your information into the required fields. You'll need to type in your driver details, your vehicle information, and your duty status. As you fill this out, take your time and make sure everything is accurate. Small typing mistakes can create confusion later, especially when it comes to record keeping and hour tracking. If a field is required, be sure not to leave it blank. Usually, these forms are designed to guide you clearly, so just move through each section one at a time. When entering your driver details, make sure the information matches what your company expects on file. Then, in the vehicle section, enter the correct vehicle information exactly as needed. After that, complete the duty status portion carefully, since this is the part that reflects your logged hours. Before going any further, it's a good idea to quickly review all of the fields you've completed to confirm everything looks correct and up to date. After the form fields are filled in, move to the signature area and sign your name electronically in the signature field block. Depending on your device, this may mean using your mouse, your finger on a touchscreen, or a stylus. Try to make the signature clear enough to be recognizable, even if it doesn't look exactly like a pen and paper signature. The important thing is that the signature is completed in the designated area and saved properly in the form. Once your information and signature are in place, do one final check of the form. This last review helps catch missing details or accidental errors before submission. When you're ready, click the Submit button to log your hours. After submitting, give the page a moment to process. If you see a confirmation message, that usually means your ELD log has been successfully recorded. And that's it. By opening the correct Paperform link in Chrome, entering your details, signing electronically, and clicking Submit, you can complete your ELD log quickly and accurately.